Welcome to We Run. So, you've just made one of the best decisions of your life. You've decided to start running. That is a fantastic, life-changing choice. Running is more than just exercise. It is one of the most rewarding and freeing forms of physical activity. It's a powerful tool for stress relief, mental clarity, and achieving a profound sense of self-accomplishment. But before you head out the door, fueled purely by excitement and determination, let me stop you right there. To ensure your start is not just great, but sustainable, safe, and most importantly, much more enjoyable, you need the right foundations. Today, we're not just covering the basics. We are diving deep into the 5 truly essential items every single new runner should acquire. These are the pieces of gear that literally save you from injury, discomfort, and the common pitfalls that cause new runners to quit before they even get started. Let's get into it.
Number 1. The right running shoes. This is without a doubt the single most critical investment you will make. And let me be perfectly clear. Do not use basketball shoes, tennis shoes, or casual sneakers for running. Those shoes are designed for lateral movement, jumping, or simply walking. They are not built for the repetitive, high-impact forward motion that running demands. Good running shoes are specifically engineered to do 2 things exceptionally well: absorb massive impact and support your foot's unique mechanics throughout the gait cycle. Think about it. With every stride you take, your body experiences an impact force of 2 to 3 times your body weight. Your running shoes are the primary shock absorber between that force and your joints, your knees, hips, and lower back. Investing in a proper pair that fits your feet and your specific running style is the best injury prevention you can buy. This is where you need to visit a specialty running store. They will perform a gait analysis, watching how your foot lands, rolls, and pushes off to determine if you need shoes for neutral support, stability, or motion control. They don't have to be the most expensive, but they must be true running shoes from a reputable brand. Prioritize fit and feel over color or price tag. A few tips. Always try them on later in the day when your feet are slightly swollen, and ensure there is at least a thumbnail's width of space between your longest toe and the end of the shoe. Get this right, and you've won half the battle against common new runner injuries like shin splints or plantar fasciitis. Number 2. Proper running socks. Many people tragically overlook this minor detail, and they pay the price with painful, run-ending blisters. You can have the most expensive shoes in the world, but if you pair them with standard cotton socks, you are creating a recipe for disaster. The problem with standard cotton socks is simple. They are hydrophilic, meaning they aggressively hold on to water and sweat. When your feet sweat, and they will sweat a lot, the cotton sock becomes a saturated sponge. This creates a hot, wet environment that leads to extreme, painful friction against your skin. The solution is switching to socks made from synthetic, moisture-wicking materials like polyester, nylon, or sometimes specific blends of merino wool. These fabrics are designed to pull moisture away from your skin, a process called wicking, and allow it to evaporate quickly. They keep your feet dry, regulate temperature, and prevent chafing and those debilitating blisters. This is a small, inexpensive change, yet it makes a huge difference, especially as you start to push your mileage. Never underestimate the power of a happy foot. Number 3. A basic GPS watch. How will you know how far or how fast you've gone? In the modern era of running, blind running is inefficient and demotivating. Having a basic GPS watch or even leveraging a smartwatch that can accurately track your runs allows you to objectively measure your efforts and, crucially, see your progress. For a new runner, seeing yourself run farther or faster each week is absolutely fantastic motivation. It turns effort into measurable reward. More importantly, a watch helps you pace yourself. Most beginners make the mistake of running too fast, too soon, and burning out quickly. Your watch is your best tool for keeping an even, sustainable pace. It teaches you what a comfortable pace feels like, ensuring you don't overexert yourself on those early runs. It doesn't need to be the most expensive, top-of-the-line model with advanced recovery metrics. It just needs to accurately track your time, distance, and pace. You can use your phone, but a watch is far more convenient, letting you check your metrics with a quick flick of the wrist without breaking your stride or carrying a bulky phone in your hand. Data equals power, and in running, data equals consistency. Number 4. A running belt or armband. Now that you're committed to going outside, where are you going to keep your phone for safety and music, your house key, or some emergency cash? Running while holding things is no fun. It disrupts your natural arm swing, which is crucial for balance and efficiency, and can lead to unnecessary tension in your shoulders and neck. And putting them in your pocket just means they'll bounce around aggressively, constantly knocking against your hip or leg, which is nothing short of annoying. A simple running belt or hydration pack belt if you're carrying water, or a comfortable armband lets you carry all your essentials securely and comfortably. Running belts are generally preferred by seasoned runners because they distribute the weight evenly around your core, minimizing bounce when properly tightened around your waist or hips. Armbands work too, but can sometimes feel a bit awkward on the arm carrying the weight. Choose the solution that ensures your hands are completely free to swing naturally. Freedom of movement is essential for enjoying the run and maintaining proper form. Number 5. A foam roller. Most new runners focus only on the running, but they forget the other half of the equation, the recovery. This forgetfulness is where most injuries are born. After a run, your muscles, especially your calves, hamstrings, quads, and hips, will be tight. This tightness can lead to painful muscle knots known as trigger points, which disrupt healthy movement patterns and increase your risk for major issues like IT band syndrome or hamstring strains. A foam roller is the best and most affordable self-massage tool you can own. This simple, cylindrical piece of foam allows you to apply pressure using your body weight to perform myofascial release. Using it to roll out your tight spots helps release those muscle knots, improve circulation, and dramatically speeds up recovery. It's a key part of your cool-down ritual. It's going to hurt a little bit, in a good way, but spending just 5 to 10 minutes rolling out your major muscle groups immediately after a run or even on rest days will make you feel infinitely better and get you ready for your next run without residual stiffness. Think of it as preventative maintenance for your running machine, your body. And there you have it, 5 essential items for new runners. Get these 5 right, and you have set yourself up for success. But before we go, remember that gear is only half the story. The other half is the mindset and the method. Don't forget these 3 final pro tips for your very first month. Start with the run-walk method. Don't try to run 30 minutes straight on day 1. Start by running for 60 seconds, then walking for 90 seconds. Repeat that cycle for 20-30 minutes. Gradually increase the running interval each week. Consistency, not speed, is your priority right now. Rest is a training tool. Your muscles get stronger on rest days, not when you are running. Schedule 2 to 3 non-running days per week. Never skip a rest day. Warm up and cool down. Always start with a 5-minute dynamic warm-up, like leg swings, and end with a 5-minute static cool-down stretch, followed by your foam rolling session. Running is a journey, And every runner you admire started exactly where you are today. Lace up those proper shoes, track that distance, and commit to the recovery. Welcome to the running life. Enjoy the road ahead.